morning, everyone. Welcome to the breaking news. I am Agnez Devi A. I will accompany you this morning with the latest news from Indonesia. President Joko Widodo on Monday inaugurated a £7.3 billion high-speed railway connection in Jakarta with the city of Bandung. A China-backed project that has been met with problems. The 140-kilometer railway, one of President Joko's flagship infrastructure projects, and the part of China Belt and Roads Initiative, has a fast problem breaking from line presumptive issue. Pandemic-related delays at the Boloming College. Monday's launching for the bullet train named Whoosh is far behind an original target of operation in 2019. The name is inspired by the sound of a whizzing high-speed train, Jokowi said during the launching. The maximum operation speed of the train could reach 3,050 km per hour, Jokowi said, calling this the modernization of a mass transportation that is environmentally friendly. Luhut Panjaitan, a senior minister overseeing the project, said at the launching that free track rides on the bullet train, which have been underway since the second week of September, will be extended and a ticket price will be implemented in October. A consortium of Indonesia and Chinese companies built the railway. Authorities have been running public trial of the new high-speed journey of 142 km before its opening. China's Premier Li Qiang rode the train with Luhut last month on his visit to Jakarta for a series of summits with Southeast Asian leaders. Luhut told reporters on Tuesday that Jokowi plans to welcome China's President Xi Jinping in the future to ride the train, without providing further details. And that's fresh news in the morning. Thank you for your watching. Have a nice day and see you next time.